All right, what's going on, guys? So Lee from HV4 was trying to go live from his GoPro, and he was having some issues, and I'm trying to help him out here. And I was actually having some issues myself, but I've got it sorted out now. I was trying to go on my cellular network, but since my Wi-Fi network was available, it was kind of forcing to go on there. So you want to make sure your phone and your camera are both on the same network. And then you click your GoPro app. And you want to go to control your GoPro. And go to live. And set up live. YouTube. And the first time you do this, it's going to need to log into YouTube and ask you permission and everything. So then you'll notice up top it says YouTube requires 1,000 followers to live stream. Just if you're already at 1,000 and you can already live stream from mobile, just ignore that. It's there, but it doesn't necessarily mean anything. So then it's connecting to the network. See, I've gone outside, and now it's causing issues again because I'm a little bit further away from the network. I guess the GoPro probably doesn't have a super strong Wi-Fi antenna. Okay, so now I'm connected to the network, and I'm going to leave this as unlisted, and streaming live from GoPro is the title, and describe stream. I'm not going to change that at all. And 720, not going to change that. I'm just going to leave the rest of this stuff as is. And you can see down here I'm already logged into YouTube as TheProCut. So then set up live stream. Preview's not available on the live stream, so you're not going to see a preview. And then you click go live, and now you're streaming live. And then when you're done, you just click the little red square at the bottom, and it stops it.